Disclosure: this educational content has been developed using artificial intelligence.
Ever looked up at the sky, seen a massive metal bird soaring effortlessly, and thought, how in the world does that thing stay up there? It seems to defy gravity, right? Well, today, we're going to unravel the magic behind flight. And trust me, it's less magic and more incredible science. It all boils down to 4 fundamental forces: lift, weight, thrust, and drag. Imagine a constant tug-of-war happening on the airplane. Weight is the force of gravity pulling the plane down. To fly, we need an opposing force pushing it up, and that's where lift comes in. So, how do wings generate lift? Look at a cross-section of an airplane wing. It's not flat. It has a special curved shape called an airfoil. The top is more curved, and the bottom is flatter. As the plane moves forward, air splits to go over and under the wing, because the top surface is longer. The air traveling over it has to move faster to meet the air from the bottom at the same time. And this is where a cool piece of physics called Bernoulli's principle comes into play. It states that faster moving air has lower pressure. So, you have low pressure on top of the wing and higher pressure underneath it. This pressure difference creates an upward force. That's lift. When the lift is greater than the plane's weight, it climbs into the sky. It's like the wing is literally being pushed up by the air below it. But a plane won't generate lift just sitting on the runway. It needs to move forward, and that's the job of thrust. On most commercial planes, you'll see large jet engines. These engines suck in huge amounts of air, compress it, mix it with fuel, then ignite it. The resulting hot gas shoots out the back at incredible speed, pushing the plane forward. This is a perfect example of Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The action is the gas blasting backward. The reaction is the plane moving forward. Now for our final force. Drag. Drag is the air resistance that tries to slow the plane down. It's the force you feel when you stick your hand out of a moving car window. Engineers work tirelessly to make airplanes as sleek and aerodynamic as possible to minimize drag, which helps them fly more efficiently. So, in steady, level flight, thrust must be equal to drag, and lift must be equal to weight. The pilot controls the balance of these 4 forces to make the plane climb, descend, or turn. To steer, pilots use control surfaces on the wings and tail. Ailerons on the wings roll the plane left or right. The elevator on the horizontal tail fin pitches the nose up or down, controlling altitude, and the rudder on the vertical tail fin yaws the plane, pointing the nose left or right. By using these controls in combination, a pilot can navigate the skies with incredible precision. So, the next time you're on a flight, gazing out the window, you'll know exactly what's happening. It's a beautiful dance of physics, with lift conquering weight and thrust battling drag, all orchestrated by the elegant design of the wings and the power of the engines. It really is a marvel of human ingenuity. I hope this helped demystify the incredible science of flight. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content. Thanks for watching, and fly high.